Hi Pisces, we are finishing the readings today with you. How are you? I hope you're fine, Pisces. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your weight name. Every time I have to look. 4-card growth reading, okay? Just 4 cards I need to tell you what I'm predicting, what I'm feeling, and if I feel like Jada Kingdom did tonight. Jada Kingdom did tonight. Please no. I made it tell you, say me want you about that. I made it tell you this is something you're not ready for. How you didn't know that then I wasn't ready for you? How did you know that, Jada Kingdom? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Current phase you're in, Pisces. The 6 of I didn't tell you, made it want you about up to ya. I made it tell you this is something you're not ready for. Man like a temper man, we're different in a regular. I would tell you some more love, man, we press trigger. Listen, Pisces, if me tell you, say you are my first love, would you believe? Me have to give it and I. Please, no, you give me. Please, I'm begging you. Kitty is begging you to talk. Alkaline did not deserve you. As much as he's my man in another life, he did not deserve you, Jada Kingdom. Okay, what do you need to let go of? Go. I made it tell you, made it want you about up. Yeah, I made it tell you this is. Wow, we have to play the song. This is serious. This is very serious on the YouTube community right now. Okay, feelings. This is crazy. Wait, Kevin Downs well. Sorry. Jada Kingdom. Jesus Christ. Jada, I'm telling you, if and I just tell me no, please. Just tweet it. Just say D-Y. Yes. Please, no. Oh my God, Jada Kingdom. Why you never? Your friend zone him? Is that what you did? Why your friend zone the 9? Then I was more than ready for that. And it was something that you tell him not ready for. What if him did like a different type of girl whenever regular? Man, I never know. Feeling. No. Jada Kingdom, I don't know. Then I don't know why she never get up. It's not like he did anything wrong. Twinkle. Like you not remember me, it. Yeah, I made it tell you this is something you're not ready for. Me like a temper man, we're different in a regular. I would tell you, say my love man, we press trigger. Look ya baby, if me tell you, say you are my first love, would you believe? Me have to give it to you, cause you're someone from the streets. Well, life will be without you, just can't even imagine. I have to make it out, you just me feel I gonna love you same way. Let's get married, done with the play dates. Next 10 years tour with the same place. This type of love, there, not exchange. Respect you to the fullest, not gonna make you feel no way. My heart's are yours and you already know that. Fight for you like UFSC soldier. They give me everything I want and you never hold back. Come make me fall in love. Dana is asking you that he's in love with you, girl. I'll be waiting just to see you. Why you never give it? You know, we don't see the first time I see Jada Kingdom was in York Plaza, York Pharmacy. Should I buy food, salad? Anyways, all of my ex, them have to exodus. New captain, every charge, them have to catch the bus. Pan no blood clot, I'm have to let you go. You have my mind and my heart, me have to make you know. I close my eyes so I can't see in the darkness. Would you love me, baby girl, regardless? Third eye open so I can't see him. Third eye was open. You refuse to see it's obvious. And I love you. I'll be waiting. I'm telling you. Everybody outside, everybody did. Yes, Burna Bag did buy it. Burna Boy did buy the bag. This is fine. He paid his dues and respect, but he left. He didn't want commitment. He was still dealing with Teffy Defy. Teffy Defy is just in Burna Boy turned Teffy Defy into a Nigerian woman and left her. She was no longer Jamaican. Anyways, let's just go ahead and continue reading. So, Jada Kingdom, you need to let go of, not kidding, I'm joking. I'm getting you need to let go of what people are going to say about your relationship. Or who you have been with, maybe a guy nerdy, okay. Sometimes a nerd them can kind of carry big dick. And if that's not it, then I talk to people. Great, them socially awkward, no problem. And the bitch come up to them, they're going to be like, Rough, right? Best-selling. Great. What should you focus on? The Six of Cups, yeah. Make it things all about you and the person. Yes, so don't go upon road and people are gonna say things. Oh my God, she's fucking him. Oh my God, okay, yes. And we're building a life together too. And we have a healthy relationship. What do you have? You get in the relationship are gonna build on how strong both of you are, okay? How can you tap into your higher self with all of this? The Star card. Jada Kingdom, it's obvious enough that he's in love with. I've been waiting, he been waiting just to see her. That's the Jada Kingdom one time in York Pharmacy. When them have the deli, come used to always go up there. The deli, she in there buy salad and thing. I mean, so what you gonna eat salad for? We all lose weight from your potato. No, she want to lose weight from her waist. And she looked for me, she did this, and she walked out. She never said anything to me. I said, okay. And I was like, was that Jada Kingdom? Me hear about her name that buzzed around the community at that time. So that's Jada. I think she was singing, nothing heavy, heavy. Maybe it's that the song she was. But she never said nothing to me. I look on her. But I'm there wait for a cake me there buy in a York Pharmacy, Delhi. I'm a see her. Otherwise, from that, the other time I stumbled upon Jada Kingdom was her I got good pussy problems, where she was reading tarot. Jada Kingdom, you know, are you still have feelings for alkaline? Because right now, I think say my man is not, regardless. But if him can hold out on the I don't know what this may take up myself and go have a crush one. Because that's what me will broke my blood clot out. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.